In this video, I'll show you how to add calculator in WordPress. Let's get started. So as you can see, when you try to search for the calculator block on your WordPress editor, you won't be able to see some search results. So in this case, let's head over right here to a new tab. And then from in here, I have in here this link. So just head over and copy this. And then let's paste it right here. And then from in there, we should be able to see the calculator code text. So in this case, what you can do is you can just copy everything that we have right here. Let's copy this. And then once you have copied this, let's head back right here. And then let's search right here for HTML instead of our actual calculator. Now let's put this right around here. And now let's paste the HTML right here. Now you can click on this preview right here. And as you can see, this is now our calculator already made. Click on the save option right here in order to save your progress. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.